What's up, mamas? Welcome back to the Kids OT Help channel. My name's Nicole. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist. Today, we're diving into the 3 best high chairs of 2019. But before we get going, there's just a couple of things I want to mention. One is that there will be a link for everything that I mention in this video in the description box below, so you can check out these high chairs on Amazon and see if they're a fit for you and your family. The second thing is, there is another link in the description box that gives you access to a completely free major feeding milestone PDF. So this PDF was designed to answer those first-time parent questions like, how old is a kid when they learn to drink from a straw or a cup? Or when should they be using a fork or a spoon? If you are curious about any of these things and you think it'd be helpful to know, go ahead and get your free copy. The link is down below. All right, mamas, let's get into it. So the third best high chair of 2019, in my opinion, is the Abbie Beyond high chair. If you all have been rolling with me for a while, you know I always say I love a product that you can get the most bang for your buck with, and this is one of those high chairs. This high chair will grow with your kiddo to about 250 pounds, which is larger than most of us will get in our lifetime. So this chair will go on to serve many purposes with your child as they grow older. I love that the Abbie Beyond high chair has a standard cushioned backrest as well as seat rest. Some of the other similar high chairs on the market don't offer this standard. You have to pay extra for their cushions, and some of their cushions aren't even that great of quality. So I really appreciate that from Abbie Beyond. The other feature that I really love about the Abbie Beyond high chair is it has a removable plastic portion to the tray. Now, I don't know about you guys, if you've ever had experience with high chairs before, having to remove the entire tray to clean it or place it in your sink can kind of be cumbersome because it's an awkward shape, so it kind of leans and falls. So I thought they were brilliant to just add the cover so you can pop it off, put it in the sink, wipe it down, put it back on. As a pediatric occupational therapist that specializes in feeding, I really stress the importance of having a footrest. Extra kudos if both are adjustable, which the Abbie Beyond checks both of those boxes. I've gotten to play with this high chair as my friend is currently using it with her little one, and it is so easy to just pull that seat bottom and the footrest out and move it where you need it. So the second best high chair of 2019 is a repeat offender, and it's the Stokke Tripp Trapp chair. Many of you guys have probably seen this high chair on a lot of my feeding videos with my son in the past. I love this high chair. I love this manufacturer. It is on the pricier end, but their products are quality. So this particular high chair will actually grow with your kiddo to 300 pounds, which is just incredible. This high chair again has the features of a removable seat as well as a removable footrest. Now the con of this chair is that you can't just pop it out with your fingers. You have to get a little Allen wrench and undo the screw to adjust the seat bottom or the footrest. But as I've mentioned before, it's a very high quality chair and it has remained beautifully intact despite all of the liquid and food that it has endured through the years of Kai learning to eat. And this chair can be used for anything else now, like an activity chair, outdoor chair. I just love that this chair will be in his life until he goes to college. All right, you guys, so what is the #1 high chair of 2019? Okay, this one blew my mind. I actually just found out about this high chair. I have major FOMO that this high chair wasn't out when I had Kai because this would have been the chair that I purchased, hands down, no questions asked. It is called the Nomi high chair. And a fun little fact, the designer of the Nomi high chair is the same designer that created the Tripp Trapp chair, which was #2. So this designer, Peter, became obsessed with ergonomics and proper positioning, which I really appreciate because there are so many studies that indicate when we are properly seated in a chair for meal times, we eat healthier, we're able to sit longer and enjoy our meals. And there are just so many benefits of having proper positioning. So he did his homework and he created this beautiful piece of artwork. And this high chair, as if the weight limit on the other 2 weren't enough, will blow your mind because it will grow with your kiddo until 330 pounds. It doesn't look like it because it's such a minimalist design and it's so gorgeous, but this is insane. As if that wasn't enough, you can adjust your footrest and your seat without any screws or anything, just up and down. Little button, up and down. Cool, I'm here for it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this picture right here because this alone would have sold me. There are little table grabber buttons that allow you to place the high chair on the table while you clean the floor that your child destroyed. I think that is brilliant because how many of us move the high chair like a few feet away to clean the floor, but then we created a trail while we moved the high chair? You would just pick it up, mop underneath, place it back down. Brilliant. And it's a piece of artwork. Like, this would look gorgeous in anybody's home. I want this chair for myself. All right, you guys, if you're interested in learning more about these high chairs, again, the link is in the description box below. Don't forget to grab your free PDF of the major feeding milestones for your kiddo. That way you know what's coming up next for them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.